Welcome to Kalpa's Khazana, and in this video we are going to make paneer cheese masala dosa. Take a pan and add a tablespoon of oil, chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, chopped capsicum. Let them cook for 2 minutes. Add grated beetroot, mashed potato, mix it well. Add half glass of water and let it cook for 5 minutes. Salt as per taste. Half spoon red chilli powder. A pinch of turmeric powder. 1 spoon tomato sauce. Mix it well. Heat a pan and make dosa. Spread butter. Take 1 spoon of curry and spread it on the dosa. Grate a piece of paneer. And cheese. Add 1 spoon oil. Fold the dosa into half. Let it roast on both the sides. And the paneer cheese masala dosa is ready. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.